this SOTTO press briefing. You were aware that yesterday our Honorable Health Minister has briefed you on this organ donor, this disease donor, because of what we have come in the national news also. And it is one of the greatest human gestures, that what I said yesterday. So what we are trying to create to today's press briefing is to create an awareness as to what is SOTTO. In SOTTO, we have a team in Goa Medical College. Premises is in Goa Medical College. I am the heading SOTTO office. With me, Dr. Preeti Varghese is the joint director SOTTO. Then we have IEC in charge, that is Information and Electronics, Information and Education, that is Shraddha Shraddha Kelkar. Then we have a coordinator with us, Sister Marcelina. We have data entry operator, Divesh, and we have 2 drivers. Okay, so they were all appointed with the central funding. Now, what is the role of SOTTO? SOTTO is a state organ, tissue, and tissue transplant organization. Okay, what is our job is, we only work to allocate organs in a disease donor. We want to we allocate only organs. We are not into anything. Our job is basically to go as per the guidelines given by NOTO and ROTO and allocate organs as per the waiting list which is prepared by the state SOTTO. So when we had this donor, we found some of the people have perceived it little in a different way. We don't want to put any allegations or any give a wrong opinion on anybody. We just want to clarify. That is why we took this press briefing. So what we did when there was an organ donor, we first went to their parents to get the consent. Once we got the consent, we asked whether the patient had a severe head injury with a brain death. That I told you. And we conducted his apnea test. He was a brain death, means he would have gone into total death. So whenever there is a brain death, that is a time that we start initiating process of organ donation. Now, what is this brain death? Brain death means only brain stops functioning. Other organs are functioning. There is a good circulation in the organs, but it is challenging to keep these organs alive after brain death. Now, somebody that they said yesterday that we know that organs are taken in the morgue also. This is wrong. Somebody who is completely dead has no meaning. He cannot donate organs. Even this patient, after second apnea test, that was at 4 o'clock on Monday, till night when the organs were retrieved, we were sitting on a volcano. Means anything that goes wrong, we can't take the organs. It is very difficult. People feel that disease donor or disease organ donation is just like take an organ and give it to somebody. It is not like that. हांव इतलेच सांगूंक करता लोकांक की तशें नासता. मॉर्गान व्हेल्ली बॉडी इज कंप्लीटली डेड बॉडी. ताजो ऑर्गन कोणाकूच यूज जायना. Please don't spread this news, because this news is going to create a reverse gear for a SOTTO program in Goa. We have just now started. I will tell you, with this donor, we have saved 5 lives. Today morning, I got a picture of the person who has received heart. He was told he will have only 48 hours to live. Such a bad condition of his heart. And once he got heart, he is doing like this on his photograph, on a video. See, somebody's life is saved. We don't do anything like that, and SOTTO is not involved in all that which is done. What we do in the mortuary is only post-mortem to find the cause of death. Let everybody in Goa know it. And this time also, what we have done is we have gone as per the guidelines of ROTO and NOTO. Now, we are Western region. For us, ROTO is Maharashtra. Okay, and KEM hospital. Basically, KEM has been designated as ROTO. And we were in constant touch with ROTO. Now, you will ask me why other organs have gone out. Because we do not have facilities for other organ transplants. we have facilities for kidney transplant. So because we have kidney transplant facility, as per the guidelines, both kidneys were kept for the state of Goa. Otherwise, if you see, it is one kidney has to be given to Roto, one for the state. But because we were giving other organs, they allowed us to use both kidneys. And we had 4 patients, 3 patients of A positive, 1 patient of AB positive. So these 3 patients, out of these 3 patients, 2 patients were matching well. So they were given kidneys. Nobody has paid anything, even blood investigation of the patient, government has paid. Now whatever organs are taken, they are taken as per the law, as per the guidelines of Roto through green corridor, and they are implanted as per the wait list of Roto. Okay. Now in Roto also, sometimes you may not have a recipient, proper recipient. Then it goes to a different Roto, or it goes to Noto. That is why this heart, this lungs of this patient have gone to Telangana. Because Telangana doesn't come under our Roto. I want to make it very crystal clear. Telangana does not come under Western Zone Roto. So it has gone because this zone had no recipient for lungs. And these lungs have gone to one person who had a severe COVID. And he was a post-COVID. He was not active COVID. He had a COVID long back. And he was on ECMO machine. ECMO machine is like a dialysis machine for the lungs. The same machine was brought first time in India for the ex-CM of Tamil Nadu, that is Jayalalitha. They had brought this machine first time in India. So what it does, it takes the blood out of the body, oxygenates, puts it back in the body. So this is very cumbersome, and on ECMO, nobody can live longer. So he was also given a time of 3 to 4 days, and they were searching for a donor, and his operation is also successful. Here there is no question of money at all. All is human gesture. Please let us, all public of Goa, let us say that we are doing it for humanity. We also don't know who received which organ. Now that they are telling us that this fellow is fine, that fellow is fine, we are knowing it. We are not asking them names also. And the parents were kind enough to give us, so that is why we had a word of appreciation for the father, because finally after losing his son, he had those guts to come forward to save humanity. So this is the kind of donors we are looking at, and this is the kind of human nature we are looking at, and this is what we wanted to share with you today. And so we have one committee. We have different committees: committee for kidney, committee for heart transplant, committee for lung. These are notified by government, and we also have a committee for certifying brain death. Again, brain death is a one level of death, in which you, after the brain death, you need to control the whole physiology of the body so that organs don't get damaged. Even if you don't manage this patient for half an hour, the whole organ fail. That is called as multi-organ failure. And if there is multi-organ failure, there is a complete death. And once there is multi-organ failure, you cannot use organs. Let us be very clear on this.
After how many hours the person is brain dead, that organs can be harvested in that ecosystem you create?
Yes. What we do, there are some parameters. These parameters like blood pressure, oxygenation, then perfusion, urine output, all these parameters, they live okay for next 8 to 12 hours. You cannot delay this. That is why after second apnea test, we inform Roto. Roto inform the respective recipients. In respective recipients, hospital teams, retrieval teams came in the midnight. They came in the midnight here. Such is the urgency. How you can retrieve organ of a patient who is in the morgue, which is very, very weird statement. There have been people writing like this. I want to beg of them, please don't show such a height of ignorance. It is a height of ignorance. And as a responsible organization, SOTTO, we, the executive members, we promise you that there won't be anything that is beyond the rules, regulations of the state and the country. This is what we wanted to share. Now I would like Joint Director Preeti to say a few words.
Good afternoon. Actually, this meeting was just called to clarify that SOTTO is a body that has been created based on the law that was passed in 1994. That is the Transplantation of Human Organ Act, which was amended in 2011 as Transplantation of Human Organ and Tissue Act. And there came the rules also. Basically, this law came into place to avoid the commercialization, the illegal practices, the organ trafficking. These were some of the reasons why this law came into place. And when this law came into place, the national NOTP program under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare took on the onus of setting it up in a very, very streamlined way. So each state is accountable for whatever organ donation and transplantation happens. So every process is regulated by this law. So every hospital which is registered with the NOTO has a certain criteria and prerequisite they follow. They have to follow. It is law. So all these things are only for the purpose of getting the organs from the patient and giving it as a treatment modality to the people who are suffering from an organ failure. And that is a new life. It is literally like waiting at the noose, waiting for that hangman to come and tie it. And suddenly the jailer comes and tells you that you have a new life. Your mercy petition has been accepted. That is what the gift of that heart and the gift of the lungs did to those two people who received it. Kidney always has some time to bear because they have at least one alternative known as dialysis. But heart and lungs are two organs which if they fail, you are going to die. So I just want to just say this, that this is a very, very divine purpose. And this kind of ignorance and the media, especially the social media, we should be careful about the words we choose to give an opinion about these programs, because it defeats the entire purpose. We are trying to be as transparent as possible. Anybody can go through any kind of right to information acts and access any information. That is set apart. But don't defeat the program as it just starts, just by spreading the wrong word. And people hang on to these words. These are the words that make an impression on people. And they fear it to such an extent, they think that everything is black, because the glasses given to them are black. So this is just my humble appeal, that there's a lot of work. It is not just the 4 people or 5 people that you see over here who are trying to make this program work. It is the whole country that is trying to make this program work. The ROTO coordinators, the NOTO coordinators, overnight are sitting and seeing logistics as to how best the organ can safely reach their recipient, who has faith in that system. So don't please break this system. Let it work. Give it a chance to grow. And after that you can judge. Please. That's all.
Can you let me since the SOTTO has been set up? This is almost a year, right?
Yeah. October 19 we had set up.
So how many people have now registered or donors?
On the day of inauguration, I think we registered almost 50 people. The form for
Now we have almost 100 after
100.
that marathon.
100 people after marathon we got registered for the
That is
wow,
a-
means they
organ
given
donation.
consent for organ donation.
100 people.
100.
And these persons I were not retrieved. Is there any limitation like how many organs?
No. This patient had bilateral exposure keratitis. The cornea was not suitable for retrieval.
Cornea or not?
And when is the GMC going to have its other transplants?
Now we are looking at liver transplant. We have already taken consultants or gastroenterologist on board. Now we want a surgical gastro, that is a liver surgeon. One of our person is also trained in liver transplant. We are going to create this department first. Maybe it will take another month or so that we will start making a gastroenterology department. Then once our super specialty starts, We can also go ahead with heart transplants because I have spoken to our cardiac team. They say it is possible once we have the huge hospital. And lungs, we will be the last thing to come. You understand me? So we are also in a process to see that organs can be utilized within the state also. And that will happen because there was nothing earlier. So we started with kidney and we are trying to get again what she said, if somebody's liver is damaged, there is no alternative, there is no external machine. He has to die. Lung is damaged, ECMO can function for some time, but the person has to die. Heart, cardiomyopathy, that patient had a cardiomyopathy, so nothing can be done. Outside heart cannot be put. So he has to get a donor. So these kind of things are there. So this is one of the divine programs where you are trying to give second life to many.
So the department will be in place in another month or two, and then
No, gastroenterologists, government has already taken 2 gastroenterologists in GMC. Their orders have been issued.
2 people have been involved.
Yeah. So they will join soon and then they can take this program further. Their colleagues who can be liver surgeons, they
But
can
infra
go.
will also be needed. Infrastructure.
Gastro, in super specialty, we have made a floor for gastroenterology. There is a infra created for gastroenterology and we are also buying equipment, whatever new they want. We have some equipment, some can be bought. That is not a very difficult task. So that is our second line that we are trying to get liver also transplanted in.
Heart and then
Yes.
liver, heart and then lungs.
Then
So will it be a year or so?
now super specialty commissioning is it depends on how quickly they complete the handover. Because of COVID, we got delayed. Otherwise, this Jan it was planned. But in COVID, almost 8 to 9 months from March till this date today, 9 months have gone without any active active consideration. In between, we had meetings of super specialty heads of department. We have got everything ready, but it will take another 4 to 6 months to get it commissioned. We still not out of COVID because yesterday or day before yesterday again there were some cases. One marriage created 100 cases.
Wait. Since you have opened your mouth, please tell us.
Some marriages are creating cases. That is what I was told. So,
Devon, please speak north south. You can say south, north.
means see, I will give you data. We had 58 or something day before yesterday. Yesterday you had 156.
Yesterday was 150.
Yesterday 101 cases.
Yeah. So before that was
156.
Huh?
156.
So before that was less.
Less,
2 digit.
90.
90, 2 digit. 58 or 90?
90.
So then suddenly we found that social distancing and wearing mask has been forgotten. So through this media also I want to tell people of Goa, you can have marriages, you can have clusters, but at least wear mask because many places it was seen in the marriages people were not wearing mask. People are not wearing mask and mostly people are now considering COVID as some common cold. Earlier when there was one patient in Goa, I remember in month of March, everybody got shock waves. People were not looking at a person who has COVID. They thought looking at him they will get a virus. But now they are so binda that they have not even wearing a mask. And many of these places where I have gone for marriages, I have seen people are not wearing mask. So it is a humble request that they should wear a mask, at least mask, keep social distancing, avoid crowding. Somehow, if that can be done, we can definitely avoid second wave.
And it is also not that 200 people out of number, but I think
I really don't know what is SOP from
I
the
think
government.
200.
100 closed, 200 opens.
Yeah.
But
These SOPs are to be followed. Whatever government SOPs are there, to be followed very strictly. Because if we again start getting every day 200 to 50 cases, then there will be again flooding of hospitals. And then how bad it was last 9 months. Everybody has suffered. There is economic setback, there is a educational setback, everything there is a setback. So taking this experience, people should understand that they will help us in avoiding the second wave.
So December 8, it was 159 cases. So you are talking about that day there was like a wedding. No, that could be earlier.
That could
Wedding
be
could be earlier. So
earlier.
the cases
I have
8,
one.
8 December there were 150.
There are some in between, there are 58 or 60 patients. New cases.
60 there were 60. 90 there was one day there were 90 cases.
50.
90 was on 7 December.
It's
112 on 6 December. 155. 94. 124. 161 on December 1st.
I think I saw one double digit.
It must be November.
November.